Hey guys, you're here for another instalment from Force 15. So this is update 10 on Cyclone Fantala as of 2100 local time, 1700 UTC. Storm's located at 10.2 degrees south, 51.7 degrees east with winds of 160 miles per hour, making it a category 5 on the Saffir-Simpson scale with an air pressure estimated to be 918 millibars, movement west-northwest at 10 miles per hour. So I personally think now that the storm is stronger than the last advisory. We're possibly looking on par with Patricia and Haiyan strength system now. So we have to see how this all plays out. The next advisory is expected within the next 45 minutes. The time of recording at the moment is 18:13 British Summer Time, 17:13 UTC. And we're now, we're looking at a landfall possibly on Madagascar of a very high category 5. Here's the intensity forecast, plus 12, 180 miles per hour, 900 millibars. You see the locations there. Plus 24, 190 miles per hour, 890 millibars. Plus 36, 195 miles per hour, 887 millibars. Plus 48, 200 miles per hour, 872 millibars. Plus 72, 195 miles per hour, 880 millibars. Plus 96, 185 miles per hour, 890 millibars. Plus 120, 175 miles per hour, 895 millibars. So you see locations there. That sort of takes it just a bit, bumping a little bit south and then turning back around, possibly for a landfall on the northern tip of Madagascar. We'll have to see how this all plays out. And also I have gone with the intensity forecast to worst case scenario for the storm at this time. So here you guys can see the forecast track here. This was from this morning, 130 knots, so it's 150 miles per hour. That's the intensity this morning, and the forecast track from this morning as well. I think it's deviated just slightly south a little bit more than the forecast track had said. So we'll have to we'll see in the next advisory. There will be a live event on Force 15 tonight as well, so you guys can check that out. Here's the visible imagery. That looks a bit better now because I did mess up a little bit earlier. And you can see the visible imagery there. It does look like the eyes clouded over, but that's just because of the infrared signal on that. You can see the eyes cleared out in the rainbow imagery. Very high cloud tops and very cool as well. Looking a very potent, very good system. And also you can see the spiral bands already affecting Madagascar. You see the AVN imagery there. Banding not quite all the way around the system, though around the majority of the system there. So yes. Next up is the Dvorak imagery. And as you can see, very intense, possibly looking there at a T7, which is a Category 5 system, low-end Category 5. T8 is when you get to 195 plus. So yes, here is the RB top imagery, and very intense around the correlate system. It doesn't look as good as when it was a few days ago, but they still had it as a Category 4. I think a few days ago that was still as well a Category 5. Water vapour, not a problem for the system at this time. Not really expected to cause much many problems for this system. So yes. So here you guys can see the wind shear map, and decreasing shear in front of the system. It's increased just slightly in front over the other side of Madagascar at the moment. Very, very close to Madagascar at the moment. I do believe that the northern tip of Madagascar is now experiencing hurricane/cyclone force winds. There is a Category 5 cyclone warning in effect from Force 15, currently in effect for all of Madagascar. And here you guys can see the CSEF's temperatures. Not really any hindrance for Cyclone Fantala. The threshold is far south. Green, I believe, is around about 26, or yellow is about 26, but it's well above the threshold at this time. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them. Next up, now we're just going to round off reiterating the latest advisory. So this is update 10 on Cyclone Fantala as of 2100 RET local time, 1700 UTC, location 10.2 degrees south, 51.7 degrees east, with winds of 160 miles per hour, pressure of 980 millibars, moving west-northwest at 10 miles per hour, category 5 on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Anyway, that's all from me now. Thank you guys for watching. This is Force 15 signing off.